Alright, today I'm going to show you how to factor an equation. Let me write out the problem. Alright, when you start, first in the equation you want to find the common letter or common number and factor it out. In this equation, the common factor was -5, so we factored it out. Once you figure out that, you're going to start with the x method. The x method helps you find what multiplies to a times c and what adds to b. You want to figure out what adds to b because the two numbers that fill in the two blank spaces in the x are going to replace b in the equation. Watch, I'll show you. So, what multiplies to 2 and adds to 3? That would be 2 and 1, alright? So we rewrite the problem as -5 parentheses a squared plus 2a plus 1a plus 2. You want to separate the four numbers into two separate equations by putting parentheses in the middle of the two. So it's going to be a squared plus 2a, and the other equation is going to be 1a plus 2. After that, you go back to the first step, which was factor. Factor out a number that is a common factor. So that would be a for a squared plus 2a, parentheses a plus 2, parentheses. For the next equation, it would be 1, parentheses a plus 2, parentheses. Now, since you have a plus 2 twice, you only want to bring it down once. So you put a plus 2 in parentheses, and then the two numbers that you factored out, you add and put in parentheses together, which would be a plus 1. Now, you haven't touched the 5 yet because you haven't been working inside the parentheses, so you bring down the -5, and your final answer would be -5, open parentheses, a plus 2, close parentheses, open parentheses, a plus 1, close parentheses.